Worried about insurance fraud or hit and runs? We've got you covered. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 best dash cams of 2025. From crystal clear 4K resolution to 24-hour parking surveillance, these dash cams aren't just gadgets. You'll find all the purchase links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 7. ROVE R24K. The ROVE R24K stands out for its incredible video clarity, making it much easier to identify crucial details on the road. Whether you're navigating city streets or country roads, it records everything with sharp precision, even at night, thanks to its advanced night vision tech. This means you'll have reliable footage no matter the time or lighting conditions. One of its best features is the ability to connect directly to your smartphone. With just a few taps, you can view, download, and share recordings through the dedicated app. It's perfect for quick access to videos when you need them most. The built-in GPS adds another layer of reliability by recording your driving routes and speed. It's especially useful for revisiting trips or offering clear evidence in case of disputes. The system updates itself over Wi-Fi, so it keeps improving with time. Built to handle everyday challenges, this dashcam also includes motion detection, emergency locking for important footage, and enough storage support to keep your drives safely documented. Check the link in the description. Number 6. WOLFBOX G840S. WOLFBOXes offers a wide, clear view of the road ahead and behind, thanks to its dual camera setup and oversized display. This makes reversing, parking, and changing lanes much safer by minimizing blind spots and giving you a better perspective of your surroundings. It pairs effortlessly with your phone via its mobile app, allowing you to manage videos and even share highlights from your drives. The GPS functionality helps track your journeys, giving you a clear picture of where you've been and how fast you were going. The camera adjusts beautifully to different lighting situations, maintaining strong image quality, whether it's bright daylight or after sunset. And when your car is parked, the system continues to keep an eye out for any unusual activity. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that combines ease of use with advanced features, this one is a strong contender. You can find the link below. Number 5. OVAMAN K600. The OVAMAN K600 offers reliable protection with a setup that records both the road ahead and behind your vehicle. It captures clear, vibrant footage and gives you a wide view of your surroundings, which is especially helpful for tight spots and busy intersections. It's equipped with a user-friendly screen and an app that lets you wirelessly manage all your recordings. Whether you want to share a scenic drive or check on an incident, you can do it straight from your phone in seconds. GPS tracking is built in, providing a helpful overview of your route and speed, while its 24/7 monitoring mode keeps your car protected, even when you're not around. This makes it a smart pick for those who park on the street or in public areas. Included in the box is a generous storage card, so you can start recording right away. From motorcycles to large SUVs, this dashcam is ready to support your ride. Check the description for the product link. Just a quick reminder, thanks to Gadget Ranked, you can grab a free 30-day trial of Amazon Prime and enjoy free shipping. The link is below in the description if you want to try it out. Number 4. SUVCON. With 3 lenses watching the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle, the SUVCON covers it all. It's ideal for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants comprehensive recording from every angle. The screen is easy to view from any position, and the system itself is simple to install. It comes ready to go out of the box, with everything you need to start recording as soon as it's plugged in. When it detects any sudden movement or impact, the camera automatically locks and saves the footage, so you'll never lose important evidence. It also cycles through memory efficiently, recording over the oldest clips when needed. Night driving is no problem, thanks to smart tech that enhances image quality in dark environments. Whether you're commuting or working on the road, this camera provides the confidence that everything is being recorded. Check the link below. Number 3. REDTIGER. If you're looking for a dashcam that balances top-tier performance with everyday usability, the REDTIGER F7NP is a fantastic choice. It records in ultra-clear quality both front and rear, helping you capture everything from scenic drives to unexpected incidents with stunning clarity. Its wide-angle coverage ensures you miss nothing important on the road. Designed to perform well in all lighting conditions, this model shines especially at night. Thanks to enhanced lens technology and smart light adjustment, Footage remains sharp and detailed, whether you're driving under streetlights or in complete darkness. It's ideal for those who drive at various times of day. With built-in Wi-Fi and an easy-to-use mobile app, managing your videos becomes effortless. You can quickly view, save, or share your recordings right from your smartphone. It also includes GPS tracking, which adds helpful context to your journeys by logging routes and speed. Plus, it features smart safety tools like crash detection and continuous parking monitoring. Whether you're on a road trip or just heading to work, the REDTIGER F7NP has your back. Find it in the description. Number 2. ARIFAYZ. The ARIFAYZ is a great blend of performance and simplicity, recording your drive in ultra-sharp detail from both front and rear cameras. Its wide coverage ensures you capture everything around your vehicle, from changing lanes to unexpected events. Despite its advanced features, this dashcam is incredibly compact and fits discreetly behind your rearview mirror. That means no clutter or obstruction, just smooth integration into your car's interior. It connects easily to your smartphone, letting you watch, save, and share your videos without needing to remove the memory card. The parking mode feature gives you round-the-clock protection, automatically recording if it detects a bump or movement while you're away. With clear night vision and reliable build quality, it's a smart investment for any driver. The product link is in the description. Number 1. GKU D600. If you're after the best in both performance and practicality, the GKU D600 is hard to beat. It captures crystal clear video from both the front and rear, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed whether you're driving during the day or at night. Its app integration is top-notch, allowing for instant playback, editing, and sharing of your footage straight from your phone. Whether you need evidence or just want to relive your latest trip, it's all right at your fingertips. The GKU D600 also keeps recording while your car is parked, giving you that extra peace of mind. If something happens while you're away, like a bump or attempted break-in, you'll have the footage to prove it. Built with a heat-resistant design and generous storage support, this dashcam is made to last. It comes with a memory card included and is simple to set up, even if you're new to dashcams. Find it in the description. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best dashcams. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.